Or moving forward, we'll see virtualization history. Virtualization was first implemented in 1960s by IBM. Virtualization was developed for mainframe computers. This is the mainframe computer, and mainframe computers are very big. If you see, it is a very big computer which took one big hall to get installed, and they are very expensive as well, and we can't afford to install only one application on one frame computer, which means we can't afford to follow the 1:1 ratio. For better utilization of mainframe computers, virtualization technology was developed. IBM has released an operating system called CPCMS for virtualization in 1960. In 1970, IBM has released one more virtualization software called VM. So these are the virtualization softwares. So you might be wondering, if this virtualization technology has been there since 1960s, why are we adopting it now? So let us try to understand the reason. Virtualization was developed for mainframe computer architecture. It is developed for the mainframe computer architecture. Today, computers like rack server, this is the rack server, and it is based on x86 architecture. So the architecture of mainframe computer and rack server is different. We can't use the mainframe virtualization software on x86 based computers. Okay, because the architecture is different, so we can't use the mainframe softwares to virtualize the rack servers. It is like we can't install the iPhone applications on Nokia's 3310 phone here. So we can't install the iPhone apps on Nokia's 3310 phone here. So in the same way, we can't use the mainframe computer virtualization software in x86 architecture computers. No company has developed the virtualization software for x86 architecture till 1999. VMware is the first company to invent the virtualization for x86 platform in 1990s to address the underutilization and other issues. So VMware is the first company to virtualize the x86 architecture. That is why we are adopting this technology now. Before 1990s, we didn't have any solution to virtualize the x86 architecture. We had the solution to virtualize only the mainframe computers.